Hey guys, so today we're going to walk through how to set up the new RACT keypad. We've got our hardware, our mounting screws and keys, and then we've got the actual RACT keypad. There's also a card in the box that has a QR code you can scan that'll take you to the installation guide. So now for the setup, we have the 3 components of RACT. We've got the actual locking unit, we've got the trigger cover, and then we've got the stock support. To program a code on your keypad, what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold any button for about 3 seconds until we hear a beep and see 3 blue lights. So once we hear that beep, that means we can go ahead and enter our code. You can enter anywhere between 4 to 8 digits. If you enter a 4-digit code, it might take a minute to accept, so just be patient and wait to hear a beep. Once we hear that beep, it means it's been accepted, so your code is now programmed. RACT keypad also features silent mode. So if you find the button beeps too loud and want them turned off, all you need to do is press and hold any button for about 5 seconds. And now silent mode is activated. So now that we've got a code programmed, we're going to move on to adjusting our components. So each component in RACT is easily adjustable and highly modular. They can all be moved along the rail, up, down, side to side, using a 10mm socket. So now that I've got RACT keypad fitted to my firearm, let's go ahead and mount it. Alright, so now we're going to mount the RACT. So I've got my RACT over here, I've got my mounting hardware with my tamper buffers, and I've got a drill, and I've got my included double-sided bit. So I'm going to grab my tamper buffer and my mounting hardware, and I like to put it on the hole pretty much directly below the locking unit. I'm going to grab my drill and line it up about where I want it.